Alright, so peep this. 6 Talenti cookies and cream crunch, whatever, for $6. It's $34 original, savings 85 cents. Total charge, $6. Oh man. Alright, so for some reason now, the wheel is contacting the line, and luckily I have these spacers, but the stock bolts stick out too far, and this fucking thing, 5 and 6 lug wheel spacer, so I'm thinking, cool, this thing is gonna work, but it doesn't. Why? Because it's for like a truck or some shit. I thought it was just like 5 and 6 lug vehicles, and I thought like the circumference would still be the same and shit, but that's definitely not the, oh god, I need to move this thing back, and oh man. Anyhow, so I gotta go to AutoZone and grab some other slip-on spacers to make some more space for the wheels, and that's gonna make it so it doesn't rub, and it also doesn't like tuck too far. Hopefully it doesn't make it poke out too far, but you know, yeah. Let me actually just that should probably relieve some of the stress from the the lip. Yep, good. So it's not killing itself. But yeah, another thing I'm gonna actually do is put the steering wheel from the E36 in and see how that feels in the car, because I don't want to put the NRG one in yet, because I may actually run the NRG harnesses and things in here. But yeah, and I actually have to go back to the widest angle lens on this thing. But yeah, I guess I'll get to you guys when I go to AutoZone. Oh, and yeah, that's the thing that I fixed. There's no like way for me to like stick this thing here, so I just gotta space the wheel out. Yeah, I guess that's like literally the only thing I can do, but you know, I just gotta make it work, so there's that. Alright, so there wasn't really anything I could do, because one, these spacers are between too thick and too thin for the bigger spacer, and these spacers are the wrong lug pattern, so I'm kind of assed out. So I just had to zip tie the thing to the frame of the car and hope it doesn't rub. But what I'll probably do is just order some new spacers and then throw them on, and probably just not drive the car for another day or two. But yeah, gotta do what I gotta do, because there's not really anything else to do, so there's that. But yeah, I'm gonna let the car down, and that's it for what I have to do on the car, because there isn't really anything else to do. I tried to loosen the crank bolt on the E36. That wasn't happening. Well, spin the engine, not loosen the crank bolt. I'm losing my mind. But yeah, I guess this is all I could really do. Wish it was a little bit more successful, but such is life. Okay, so the E36 steering wheel is on, and I like the look, and I'll show you guys like now my knees are free. Yeah, so that's not bad. The two-spoke has been growing on me for quite a while now. Like, I don't 100% know how I feel about it for sure, like looks-wise, but I'm pretty sure this is the wheel that I'm just gonna keep in my E36. So, yeah, I'm gonna do a quick little test around the block and come back and hope the wheel does not rub on the airline fitting, and then that'll be the end of the video because I don't have anything else car related to do.